Hi teacher, my name is Laura Daniela Correa Castillo and now I answer and say my point of view of the topic of the homework, that is how to capture users' overall perception when they are using network applications. Okay, now I talk about of the different perception that have the people when use different application that have for network or something like that. Okay, for first, their perception that can be captured when users use the network applications are very different since a customer experience can be measured according to the different qualities of experience that they live during their test. It should also be taken into account that the application of network handle different capacities of speed, space, and some utilities. The customer experience is also measured according to where they are, because they can be using the same application in two places and the experience will not be the same as easily according to the device and more than all the internet signal that you are experiencing at the moment that you use the application. From my perception, the user experience can be measured according to the qualities of the application and the performance that present. That is, if it's a good application, the people who try it will recommend in ad will grow exponential. But if on the contrary is an application that does not support the objective that proposed, will be an application that will have to leave the market or have improvements in different aspects to stay in the market and have a good experience for the user. Thank you.